spring break. Spring break. Okay, so we are on the road this weekend. We are going to be at Bakersfield just until Sunday, and then on Monday we will be heading to LA all the way through Saturday. Got a lot of fun things planned. We're going to Universal Studios, going to a Dodger game, maybe some museums, car places, stuff like that, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Take you guys along with it. So I won't be vlogging any of this weekend because it'll be boring, but I'll get back to you on Monday. Alright, so we have made it to LA. We're actually going to Burbank. The agenda is we will be going to a huge electronics store called Fry's Electronics, and tonight we're probably going to go down to the Universal Walk and just check it out. And we'll be here, today is Monday, we'll be here till Saturday. Gonna be going to Universal Studios, maybe to the beach or do some shopping, just whatever, just some random stuff. And also a Dodger game on Friday. So we're very excited for that, and I will bring you along. I'm gonna go check out this electronics store. We are almost there, about 5 miles out, so see you then. The entrance has a spaceship. Look at these gaming chairs.
Ooh. They're nice.
Only $4.69. That's funny because Booty Pie has a chair that's like much better than this.
Oh,
and it's like custom made. No, it's for sale for $3.99. This is $4.69.
Shoot. I like the table.
That blue one over there is $170 though.
I like the gaming table. It's very like spacious.
This one's only $170 though.
This is a keyboard?
Why do they have this old computer here?
It's like looking at fossils.
I don't think it's for sale.
No, I think it's
This is property of Fry's Electronics.
That's funny.
Headphones galore. I need one to review for my channel.
I want one. These are sick.
They even have vinyls. This whole store. Look how much there. It's crazy. Okay, so that I'm vlogging. So that was a very interesting experience. It was very like 80s retro style, and it was like 3 times bigger than Best Buy, I'd say, and it was pretty cool. And I told myself I was gonna stop getting pop toys, but they had Slash, who's pretty much my favorite guitarist, so there's that. And that's pretty much all I got, and now we're headed to the hotel. Vin Diesel, is that you? Oh, there's the Harry Potter world right there. Right there. Park right there, Universal Studios. There's the walkway.
I want to eat at a place called Dong Poo.
Faces flashing signs to get out and we shall find. Oh, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that old. I don't.
Okay, so we are back at the hotel, and tomorrow we will be headed to Universal Studios. If the audio is bad tomorrow, I apologize. They do not allow microphones in, but it's whatever. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and the view is awesome. I don't know if you could see it, but the lighting is amazing. That's the Citywalk right there. Yes. See you guys tomorrow.
We don't need another one. I pretty much know where it's at.
Just laughed at me. I can't believe he doesn't take me seriously. Oh, hello, sir.
What's up?
Did you want a picture? Oh, cheers. Ooh, somebody giving you donkeys back there.
Hey kids, it's Krusty! Hey kids!
I want that view.
The building with the 5 set of steps is where Jim Carrey and Jennifer Aniston lived in Bruce Almighty.
Inside bad, outside good. Inside bad, outside good.
This street that we're on right now is the same street Marty McFly drove the DeLorean down at a speed of 88 miles an hour at the end of Back to the Future, right before lightning hit the clock tower. Now, Back to the Future filmed out here over 30 years ago, so the set does look a little different.
Ready. Don't put them on yet, but just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
Get him, God!